Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone screen flickering issue on iOS 17 after update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have to do a hard reset of your iPhone whenever any issue like flickering or software crash on your iPhone. Then doing a hard reset of your device can really solve the problem. So you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the volume up, volume down, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your problem will be fixed. Then second solution, you have switch off the auto brightness features. Many iPhone users have reported that their iPhone screen flickering problem was fixed by turning off the auto brightness features. So you have open the setting and then you have click on general. So then you have so you have click on accessibility and then you have click on display accommodations. So you have uh, click on sorry guys, so you have click on accessibility and then you have click on display, and so you have scroll up, then you have seen auto brightness, then you have turn off from here. Then third solution, you have turn off reduced white point. According to several users, after reducing the white point setting, that they have successfully fixed iPhone screen flashing white or the screen flickering after dropped air. So then you have first of all open the setting, choose accessibility again, you have click on display and text size, make sure you have disabled the reduce white, then you have white point, so then you have turn off from here. Then fourth solution, you have updated your iPhone iOS. In most cases when your device iOS is not updated, then it loads of issue may occur like iPhone screen glitching and unresponsive. Lot of bugs occur generally, and these kinds of update are released to fix such unwanted error. Then last solution, you have do factory reset of iPhone. This is the last step that you should do to fix iPhone screen flickering and unresponsive issues. Doing this process not only will solve the issue, but at the same time there is a risk of losing all important data from the iPhone. So you have open the setting and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on erase all contents. So you must be your data is copy on any drive, so then you have erased the all content from here, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.